All right, ladies and gentlemen, we have something very special right here on the floor. We've been waiting for this for a long time. One of our awesome supporters goes crazy on carbon fiber, and you guys know we have carbon fiber everywhere in the shop. We work with carbon fiber all the time. I showed you guys on the podcast and on my Instagram the carbon ashtray that he made, which is insane. There's nothing else like that in the market, completely custom. This is completely custom made. Even the wrapping is carbon fiber. Everything is carbon fiber. I don't even know what it is yet, but we're gonna pretty much unbox it for you guys now. So I'm just gonna cut off this carbon. I don't know why I'm cutting it. I feel very bad.
Alright, bro, you can't scratch it.
Damn. So literally every piece carbon fiber. So what you guys are seeing right here is actually the surface of a box. This is a crate box made out of carbon fiber. I don't even know if anybody's ever made a carbon fiber box before, but there you go. We got our logo in the middle. We got his logo right there, the creator. And we're gonna get to all these things after. And right now we're gonna open it up.
So the entire design is 100% based on RDB. So as you can see from the left side, everything is messed up. You tell me somebody that literally takes carbon fiber, which is aerospace grade, and then spends about 4.5 hours trying to sand these types of finishes. The only reason I did that is to prove that everything that is under here is pure carbon fiber. So you could see all the layering from all the exposure. No other material that's fake would actually show that. And I did that on purpose. So this side, repair. Then you move over to the right, design, where it's shifting. It's a full 1/4 of an inch forged carbon piece, which has been epoxied, and I purposely damaged it just to give that look of a rustic patina. And as you shift over, which is the build, the final design. Now I added it, I like these kind of finishes. This was actually by accident, by the way, but it turned out to be really, really epic. And all these things here, all these plaques have a specific reason, each one. And each carbon fiber that you see, from the tubing to the panels, to the forged carbon fiber, to the thing that is inside here, is 100% designed by aerospace engineers and built by aerospace companies, but it was assembled in a 600 square foot apartment in a bathtub, kitchen, living room, bedroom, and I'll show you all pictures later on, but I've got like everything labeled with sanding stations and all that kind of stuff. But yeah, this was built in 5 days.
Let them know all the hinges, everything's carbon.
Oh yeah.
Everything's made out of carbon.
Check it out. These hinges here, they're 1 millimeter thick. And each 2 inches, they're Kevlar reinforced. They can handle 200 pounds. So both hinges together are 400 pounds rated. And to be honest with you, when I bonded it and I started lifting, I started freaking out because it's kind of trippy. But I'll show you guys what I mean. Okay?
All right.
Ready? All right. Exactly the same thing. Repair, design, build. With carbon fiber packing, all on the edges. No plastic, no wood, no nothing. And over here, all engravings. Repair, design, build, all around. And this finish, forget this. This don't freaking matter to me. This is easy, everybody can do it. This finish. This is a finish that I spent 9 hours just trying to sand this to 10,000 grit because I had an aim in order to get exactly what Koenigsegg does when they charge 500 grand in order to get a body which is all shiny carbon fiber. You put it in a light and you shift it, everything shifts. And I'm literally 95% there because they say what to do, but they keep something out, but I'm gonna catch it. And here's the thing, look at the corners, all this sanding, each inch took me about 45 minutes just to get this Damascus steel look. And if you put it under a nice orange light, this stuff will be epic. And that's pure forged carbon over there, bonded RDB, repair, design, build. And it's a canvas frame.
Yep, so that comes out.
Yep, it comes out. So, want me to lift it?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's take it out.
Yeah.
Side one. Yep, lift. Yeah, it's kind of heavy. You got it?
Yeah.
You can literally set it anywhere, but put it on the side. Okay. It's okay if it gets scratched, don't matter. Look, pure carbon, pure, 100%. Nothing, look, 1/4 of an inch for no reason. You can't even break it if you tried. And the adhesives that are made to put it together are all aerospace grade. I took notes from where I was working. Bonded, forged carbon. No one will ever see it, but there's one rule, so we stick to carbon.
The forged carbon hanging plates.
Yeah,
Pretty much,
they're
yeah.
called French fleet systems. I don't know what they are, but there's something like that. Now I wanted to, you can actually make forged carbon bolts, but we didn't have time, so we're gonna use metal, but so last time we're gonna use that, so. Yeah, that's cool. It can get scratched, it can fall, nothing's gonna happen to it.
All right, we have this Ferrari 458 Spider here. All right, so this car is in here for a few things. One, we are going to change lowering system. We're gonna put coilovers on the car. Also, we are doing, obviously you guys can see, one of the tail lights is completely different color than the other. So we're gonna go ahead and get an original tail light that we have here that actually already arrived. We're gonna swap this one out. Also, this car has a few other damages. We are going to replace on this car also the rear shocks. Shocks are leaking. There's a lot of oil leak from the rear shocks on this car. They're original, it happens. Time to replace those out because it's causing tire damage and it has a very bad drive too, so it'll do that with bad shocks. That's what we're doing. And also we're going to replace the tub. The tub has a hole in it. What?
Why does he always bug you?
It's like, yeah, I don't know what's wrong with this guy. Anyways, that's it for this one. We have a Lamborghini URUS here. This URUS is here for a basic oil change. We're gonna do some upgrades to this thing. He has some stuff in mind. He wants to do a couple of things. Let's see what we're gonna do. But for now, today is a simple oil change filter, top off fluids, make sure the car's running right, reset the light, and we're good to go.
You like the colorway?
Color looks nice. Yeah, color looks nice. It's a nice color. I'm actually a fan of this color, so it looks good on any car, I think.
You made Javi squirt on himself, bro. It's a lot of water.
Where is that coming from?
I think the drain for the AC.
It's clogged?
Spectre?
Clogged?
Plug, yeah.
Well, let's check, yeah? Let's fix it and give it back to the guy. He needs the car Friday. He's going to Disneyland.
Oh,
Yeah.
can you take us too?
I love Disneyland.
We should go to Disney.
I love Disneyland. Imagine all of us going to Disneyland. They'll probably shut it down and kick us out.
Yeah,
A
they will.
lot of water in this car.
Yeah, the evaporator drain hose is clogged.
It's clogged.
¿Será mucha?
We have a clogged hose, so we'll have to unclog it, clean it, dry the carpets.
Ready?
There we go. It's called Splash. We're at welcome to Raging Waters in San Dimas.
Oh, so anticlimactic.
Oh, that's disgusting.
So yeah,
Jeez. Oh my goodness. All right. So you guys can see what's going on.
That's why it's the whole wet inside
That's
all the
right.
time.
Yeah. Okay. Well, we gotta try to fix it so it's not wet anymore. All right, you guys. This hose is not supposed to weigh this much. This hose is very heavy right now because there's a lot of shit. It's clogged, so it's double the weight. We have to clean the hose. Nothing's wrong with the hose. It just got clogged with dirt and stuff. So This is the reason why there's no water circulating the proper way. Because of this, it's clogged and water's going all over the carpets inside the passenger side, driver's side. It's like a lake inside the car. So we're gonna go ahead and fix it right now, clean everything up, put it all back together, call the client, easy peasy, done.
The talk of the weekend was the new Bugatti, the Tourbillon. A lot of you guys saw me drive the first one on my Instagram. It has gull-wing doors, which we don't see on Bugattis.
Fuck, man.
1800 horsepower. So no more turbo for Bugatti. I mean, I used to love the Veyron, how it sounds. Sounds like an airplane, but this is going to be entirely different. Like, how fast is that screen going to break?
That's a lot of money, man, for a car.
Call the client, easy peasy, done.